Hey there, YouTubers. This is Dan Strong with Excel VBA is Fun. Thanks for tuning back in. We have a quick question, really good question about message boxes from a S.J. Sawyer, I think it was, and he wanted to know, I'm getting a error whenever I have brackets. I think he means parentheses, so for example, using message box and using a parentheses whenever you're putting your message in there. And he said he's getting an error when he does this in Visual Basic. And he said, when do I use these parentheses and when should I not use them? And so I will show you what I do and what works for me regarding message boxes. I'm going to hit F11. Let's just create a quick macro, nothing fancy here. I'm going to go to add a module and I'm going to say this macro is called we're going to call it no brackets, meaning no parentheses type of message box. When I hit enter, it lets me open that up. So the no brackets, let's try that. Let's just do a message box. I'm going to hit space and start my prompt using the quotes. So no parentheses. That's good enough. You can hit a comma and tell it all the things that you want in here. So you might want a VB critical. We'll use that and we'll put plus. So if you use the plus sign, you can have multiple things here. We'll have, how about, let's use VB OK cancel. That's the default anyways. Or vbOk only, I believe, is the default for message boxes. So let's hit comma and do a title. How about none? And I'm at no parentheses, I guess. So let's try that now. I'm going to hit F5. It says no parentheses, and there's the VB critical that we added there. Otherwise, it doesn't have that red X. And it says none in the title. So all you have the option is hitting OK. You can't do anything other than that. Let's do another procedure, and we'll call this one with brackets. And here's the basic difference. Here's when you want to use parentheses, is when you're wanting to do either have somebody click yes or no, or using an input method. So let's do that. How about we'll say answer. My answer is going to be the variable equals message box, and now we'll use the parentheses because we're almost using it like a user-defined function. I'll show you. Here's the prompt. Do you like me? Question mark. And we'll put a comma. And how about VB yes, no? Okay. And that's good enough. In parentheses. So what we're going to get is either the answer yes or no in this variable. So let's put a stop marker right there, and we'll hit F5. Now I'm going to hit F8, and it says, do you like me? Now depending on what I click on, let's see. Okay, so what is answer? It is 6, which is, must be no. No, okay, let's see. Here's how you can do this. You can say if answer equals vbYes, then I don't know, whatever. Let's just say, let's have another message box then. You picked yes, and then you could use else if. I would just put else, but for demonstration purposes, I'll show you else if answer equals vbNo, then do a message box that says no. And then of course end if. So let's hit F5 here, or let's go back up here. Do you like me? When I click yes, it says you picked yes. Let's run it again. Do you like me? If I click no, it says no. Alright, so The short answer is using parentheses assigns whatever your answer is to a variable. And even if, well, I guess even if they clicked OK, which is the only response they possibly could pick if you do a regular message box, there I think you can even use vbOk as something that you want to say if this is that. So that's pretty much it, and thanks for your question, S.J. Sawyer. And keep them coming, guys. If you have any questions, give me a holler. Thanks for watching. God bless.